What's up everyone and welcome to the video. So if you're watching this, then I'm sure that you're aware that as of yesterday the Solana network went down yet again. I wanted to wait until today until things were back up, so until I made a video about this and talked about it in a little bit more detail so you know exactly what happened, how long it went on for, and what were the impacts on the Solana community. So I've got a couple of articles here that were written. This one was written yesterday during when the network was halted, and I've got one that was written afterwards as well, so we can go over those two in a little bit more detail. So this one here talks about some of the Solana team talking about exactly what happened. They're saying that it was a bug in the durable nonce transactions feature led to a non-determinism when the nodes generated different results for the same block, which prevented the network from advancing. So because of this, the network went down. It was halted for, they claimed 4 hours, but I've seen some other people, people use the Solana network saying that they were unable to make transactions for over 8 hours. So the exact amount of time that it was down for, I'm not exactly sure, but between 4 and 8 hours, something like that. But the fact that the blockchain went down, what isn't really the problem. It's the fact that it's been the second time now this month. Go back to I think 1st of May was the last time that the blockchain went down, and that's going to be the 8th time in the last 12 months, which is a little bit worrying for Solana. If they're going to keep having these problems, how are they really supposed to be an Ethereum killer, as it says here, compete with other blockchains when every single month the blockchain's going down? I mean, at the moment serving as an NFT marketplace is going okay, but if they really want to advance the blockchain and have a decentralized exchange, swaps, staking, all this kind of stuff, you just can't have your blockchain being down every single month. Now it does say here in this second article, which was written yesterday, Solana devs addressing, saying that there are a class of bugs that are hard to prevent entirely, even with large test coverage, and they affect any chain. Well, maybe he's right, but the fact is that all the other blockchains aren't going down once every month. So yeah, it is a little bit worrying, especially when you take into consideration that they're saying here that they've fixed the problem, but it says here that they've temporarily fixed the problem, but the root cause is still not solved, which means this could potentially happen again soon. So the Solana team are saying here that the engineers are working on a new release, which then hopefully can come up with a solution for the overall problem. But that would mean then that the blockchain will have to temporarily be halted again until the new patch is released, which is obviously going to annoy the Solana community even more. Now, I've seen some people in different communities and other guys on YouTube have been complaining, saying, "Oh, this caused if we just go over onto Solana here, saying, oh, it caused the price to drop 10%. All these articles. I'm just going back on this article. They say here, talking about how Solana was down 13% in 24 hours. To be honest, I don't really see too much of a negative effect. Don't forget that this price drop here happened. This 13% price drop happened when the whole crypto market had a red day. Bitcoin went from 32k down to like 28. Ethereum, lost over 200 and it still hasn't recovered. And you can even see on the day here that it's not the only coin that it's not performed the worst. Has had a little bit of a bounce anyway from its lows. But yeah, despite that, it's a bit worrisome for Solana. So they've really got to make sure now that this team, the team of devs that are going to be working on this new release, they really have to get to the bottom of this problem that's going on, because I'm not sure how many times. I guess every time this happens, they lose a small amount in the community, and it's only going to be able to happen a certain amount of times before the blockchain might never be able to recover. And yeah, so just thought I'd go over this subject in a little bit of detail. I know some of you guys are interested in Solana and NFTs on there. I hope this explains it in a little bit more detail. So yeah, if you guys are interested in more content like this, or you're interested in upcoming projects on different blockchains, please subscribe to my channel. And also we do have a Discord community, so if you want to check the link for that in the description of this video. And yeah, as always, thanks for listening guys, and until next time, bye.